Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious grilled tilapia. So I actually grilled this tilapia fish in a oven. So I'm excited to share with you guys my recipe today. Yep. So I'm going to be seeing this. So this is my toaster oven. Let me close this toaster oven for you guys to see. So this is my toaster oven right here. So like just for one or two fish, I don't want to put my big oven on. So I decided to use my toaster oven. Yeah, and I use this for about maybe 30 or 45 minutes. Yeah, because the oven is small, so I use 350 degree for, let's say, 45 minutes. Okay, so let me unplug this toaster oven right here. So now this is my fish right here, and this is tilapia fish, and I just grilled this tilapia fish from start to end. So if you want to know my recipe, just stay with me. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious tilapia. I grilled this tilapia, y'all, from start to end. So like I told you guys, if you want to learn how to season this tilapia fish, part one of this video I did on a live video about how to season tilapia fish. Yes, I did it from start to end on a live video, and you know the baking process take longer time, take about 30 to 45 minutes to bake this fish. So I just decided to do a short video about after baking the fish and share with you guys. But the entire video about how to season this is on a live video. It's on my page. I'm gonna link the I'm gonna put a link in the comment section below. So this is tilapia fish. What I did was I cleaned this tilapia fish nicely. I washed it and cut it just like this. And then I made my seasoning. What I got in my seasoning was some bell pepper, onion, garlic, what is that? Yeah, and some hot pepper with some spice I put in here. Yep. So what I did was I put it in a blender, and I blend everything, the seasoning and everything in the blender. I blend it. Then I decided to just whisk it over or just wrap it on this fish right here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys one of these fish and see how it look like, y'all guys. The fish is all ready for eating. Yo guys, this is super nice. I can't wait to eat. So this is what we're gonna be having for dinner tonight, my family and I just baked 3 tilapia fish. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this tilapia fish and how you think. So thank you so much, yeah. Yeah, so for the benefit of my new audience, my name is Rosemary. Yeah, I'm a new content creator, y'all. I'm a new content creator. So my purpose of joining YouTube is to make YouTube as a side hustle. I'm from West Africa, Liberia. A mother of 2, boy and girl. Yeah, so this is how we are having for dinner tonight, y'all. So if you live nearby, you are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen to eat with us. So last night I watched my big sis video. So I watched my big sis video last night, right? And she make a roasted fish in an oven. I'm like, oh my god, how did she make that? So I'm like, I'm gonna make this fish tonight. So shout out to you, big sis. You got me, like, you brought me back to tilapia, y'all. Like few months ago, almost all of my videos about tilapia, how to grill, how to fry, how to season. And you know, I thought I was resting from making tilapia fish until I watched my big sis video. I'm like, oh no, I gotta go back to this. So I'm using one of my hands to hold my phone. I'm using one of my hands to hold my phone. So let me see if I'm going to be able to. So when I put this in the oven, they have, like, because this is the toaster oven I'm using, they have roast, they have toast, they have bake, they have a lot of stuff on this toaster oven. For me, what I used was baking. I baked this, okay? I didn't roast, I just bake it, okay? Normally when I just putting stuff here like that, I'm going to roast it, but I wanted to put it inside this pan so it can be able to, bake nicely, okay? So let me see if I can be able to flip one of this. And it's still hot, y'all. Oh my god, this is super juicy. I wish I had camera stand here. But yeah, this is it, y'all. This is it. So once again, shout out to all of my audience, and not forgetting my moderator. Thank you so much for all of your great ideas, and congratulations to us. We are finally monetized on YouTube, so now every single video we make, we're gonna be getting something from you. Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a bomb, y'all. Also, guys, I have an exciting news for you guys. I'm gonna be coming on live almost every day because I'm on a vacation. I got a 1 week vacation. Sorry, guys, not 1 week. This time around, I have a 1 month vacation. But I'm gonna be telling you guys. If you keep following me, I'm gonna be telling you guys where I'm gonna spend my vacation. But today is officially the first day of my vacation. And yeah, it happened to be weekend, yo. My vacation starts on a weekend, so let the vacation, start, yo. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. I don't know. I'm using one of my hands to hold this phone, so I gotta be really careful about taking this fish from in this stuff. Or better still, I'm gonna do this behind the scene. But once again, if you come across this video, you are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen to eat with us. Oh my. Oh my god. I saw it in my spirit already. This is a bomb, y'all. Oh my god. This is super good. Mm? Yeah, it is good, y'all. So, yeah, on my channel, I'm a new content creator. On my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do products review. I cook on a live video. I do cleaning up, and my channel is family friendly. Yes, my channel is family friendly. Yeah, I said that my channel is family friendly. You can watch my video with your kids, your family, your parents, just whoever you want to watch my video with. It's family friendly, y'all. So guys, just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. Oh my god, this is good. So just let me know if you're watching me now. Just let me know what are you having for dinner tonight. As for me and my family, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. And guys, it's about to go down here. So I'm just gonna like right now we are eating in here. So each person gonna eat one of these fish tonight. And yeah, we're just gonna call this an idea. So guys, I'm gonna be creating a lot of funny stuff for you guys. I'm taking a whole vacation, whole month off of my vacation. So I have all of the patience for you guys. And a lot of you guys have been asking me for my number, my WhatsApp number, my Cash App number. So I'm working on getting my Cash App number and my WhatsApp number. I'm working on getting all of these numbers, okay? Yes, so I can be able to pin my number in the comment section below for my audience, okay? I have a special number for business. I have a business number. It just like my phone went down. Yeah, my phone spoiled, so I finally got a new phone today. And I got a lot of stuff today. I got a new phone today. So I got a new phone today, and I also got a phone stand for my car. I got a phone stand for my car. Yeah, so guys, I'm trying to see, okay. I'm just gonna, see in this fish and see if it's ready, okay? And I know for sure 100% it's ready. So this is how it looks like. It's very juicy and nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a bomb, y'all. So this is the fish right here. This is how it look like, and I'm about to taste it. So guys, are you guys eating tonight? My kids don't really want to eat tonight, but it's okay. So I'm about to taste this and see how it tastes, okay? Yeah, so once again, you are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen to eat with us. Somebody asking what kind of fish is this? This is tilapia fish. Oh my god, it's just good, y'all. Yeah. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. I'm eating the fish. It tastes really good. Yeah. Oh, you want to eat some fish? Okay, come and get a pen so I can put it inside. So guys, thank you so much. I love you. Come back to watch more of the video. Love you. One love from my end. Bye bye. See you next time.